took a stroll down the old long walk on the day I met a little girl and we stopped to talk on a grand soft day. Then I asked her friends, what's a fella to do? 'Cause her hair was black and her eyes were blue. And I knew right then I'd be taking a whirl down the Salt Hill Prom with a Galway girl. We were halfway there when the rain came down on the day she took me up to a flat downtown on a ground soft day. And I asked your friends, what's a fella to do? 'Cause her hair was black and her eyes were blue. So I took her hand and I gave her a twirl, and I lost my heart to a Galway girl. And when I woke up, I was all alone, with a broken heart and a ticket home. And I